Hi, we're Amalia and Matt, and this is our barn that we turned into our dream home. He really caught me off guard. It was like a Sunday morning. He's like, let's go for a drive, really understated. I've found this barn, this shed on Trade Me, and I was like, okay.
Our first plan, I guess, was we were actually going to chuck a bungalow on the back. And it just got bigger and bigger, I guess. Yeah.
So I brought baby Jack home from hospital to a house with building paper on the walls, and I had a drill to open the front door.
Yes, I'm a builder by trade. Everything that you can see has been put in. I love American styling. You know, all of the wainscoting, all of the details. I think that's, you know, more Midwest America.
So in the walls in the kitchen we've used Resene double sea fog, and sometimes it can feel really warm, like a beautiful warm creamy white, and then other times it can be like when it's really, really sunny day, just super fresh. The coffered ceilings were a real labour of love, so Matt designed them and built them all himself. So it wasn't a quick project, but we used Resene half alabaster on the ceilings, and yeah, on all our ceilings actually. So in the main lounge, it's a 7-metre stud and it's all cedar wood. People thought we were mad painting it, but even though it was high, it gave quite a closed-in feel, and we wanted really light and spacious. I love light and fresh, but then we also wanted that kind of moody, dark vibe as well. And I feel like the colours, the Resene colours that we've chosen, have worked really beautifully together.
For me, it's been that product that I'm most familiar with, because all through the trade, it's always, you know, all my painters and stuff have happened to have been Resene.
So the colour we've used in the lounge and the dining room is also Resene double sea fog. And it's really beautiful how in the parts when the natural light spills in, it looks really fresh and white, and then in the parts that don't have so much natural light, it's really beautiful, cozy, creamy colour, and I love that it can look very different in different light, but it all ties in together, being the same colour.
It seems basic, like some people think, oh, you're just white and black, but I think that's harder. Like, it was just, you know, looking through the different shades. We've gone in here with a black. We started with a nocturnal black, which has blue tint in it, and that felt a bit cold for me, so we've gone iron sand, which is a brown tint, which is a bit warmer. It's harder than it looks to get the whites and the blacks working.
Because the house is really neutral. We wanted really fun wallpaper in the guest room. We were so stoked with that Resene wallpaper.
Yeah, with the outdoor area, we extended the deck out actually and put a pergola on, which was and ahhing a bit about covering it, but yeah, I like to sit out in the sun.
My favourite thing about the pergola, the colour, it's Resene black-white, and just the way the sun hits it, it's such a stark white. And so on a beautiful sunny day, you almost feel like you're in the Mediterranean.
It's a concrete fireplace, so we put the Resene line lock on first. So everything outside is Resene black-white. So the bricks and the cladding and the pergola, yeah, everything's the same.
He is such a visionary. Like, he's such a big thinker, like nothing's impossible. The sky's the limit. And what's really unique about him is that he follows through. So I've done a lot of sanding, a lot of painting, the joinery, which has been, you know, that was kind of like, there was some 4 AM mornings that I was still out there painting. I'm not the best at it, but, you know, give it a good go.
She put in just as much, if not more work, doing the other stuff, you know, living in a building site with the family.
People thought we were so mad for doing what we were doing. It was rough, but it was fun, and I think like it's been such a fun journey, and to get to the stage now where it's all finished, and yeah, I'm really proud of us, really proud of us.